Ever wished your ex would toss and turn all night, haunted by the thought of losing you? Do you want them waking up in a cold sweat at 3 a.m., grabbing their phone and rereading old messages they once took for granted? In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful text messages backed by real psychological principles that can flip the script, spark intense curiosity, and make your ex obsess over you. I'm talking about that unstoppable pull where they can't stop checking your socials, can't stop thinking about you, and can't help texting you at the most random hours just to get a piece of your energy again. Let's not waste a second. Here are 5 texts that can make your ex realize exactly what they lost. Text number 1, the unfinished story text. Type this: "Hey, I've been meaning to tell you something, but never mind. Take care." Then vanish. No follow-up, no winky face, nothing. Why does this short message hold so much power? Enter the Zeigarnik effect. Human brains latch onto unfinished tasks, incomplete stories, and unresolved mysteries. When you drop a line like, "never mind," you're essentially planting a ticking time bomb in their mind. They'll replay it over and over, desperate to know what you wanted to say. This works because your ex has lost the privilege of easy access to your thoughts. You're signaling that you have something worth sharing, but you're holding back, creating a power imbalance that's now in your favor. Expect them to text back something like, "Wait, what were you going to say?" Or, "Don't leave me hanging." The key is your silence. Wait at least 24 hours before replying, and when you do, stay vague. Maybe respond with, "It's nothing important anymore," then disappear again. This tension you've created is exactly what fuels their curiosity, and that curiosity can quickly turn into obsession. Text number 2, the nostalgia grenade. Late at night, say around 11 p.m., send a simple text. "Just found that old playlist we made." Track number 4, brought back memories. Then attach a screenshot of the song title. Why is this so potent? Nostalgia acts like an emotional time machine. Psychologically, nostalgic triggers light up the same pleasure centers in our brain that respond to things like sugar or even mild addictive substances. By referencing a shared memory, like a song you both loved, you create a sweet sense of longing that can make them realize the depth of what they lost. For extra impact, consider a subtle social media move. Post a short story of you listening to that same track, maybe humming along in your car or your room. No caption, no mention of them, just pure vibe. They'll see it and wonder if you're reminiscing about them. That quiet confidence, where you're enjoying the memory without begging for their attention, drives them wild. They'll start imagining what you're feeling, and that's exactly where you want them, in their own head, replaying your relationship's highlights. Text number 3, the jealousy hack. Now, if you're ready to launch the big guns, try this text. "Met someone new today. They're nothing like you, in the best way." Boom. You've just lit a psychological fuse that can blow up their ego. Why does it work? Because it taps into 2 primal triggers: ego and fear of replacement. Suddenly, they're worried they've been outdone. They might wonder if you're already moving on, or if you're subtly implying they were lacking in some department. Don't overuse this tactic. Just drop the hint and let it simmer. If they ask, "Who is it? Are you dating someone?" respond casually, "Just a friend, no big deal." Then pivot the conversation. The point is to plant a seed of uncertainty. They'll lose sleep picturing you having a great time with someone else. And if you really want to push it, post a group photo on your feed with an unfamiliar silhouette in the background. Let them squint at their screen, trying to see if that's your new flame. The imagination does the rest. Text number 4, the power silence text. On a Saturday evening around 8 p.m., send this: "You'd love this new bar. Totally your vibe." Then vanish for 72 hours. That's right, no posts, no updates, no follow-ups. You're essentially telling them you're out living your life in a place they'd enjoy without them. The psychological impact is huge. They'll wonder who you're with, whether you're on a date, and if you even miss them at all. If you want to level up, have a friend tag you in a subtle post from that bar, maybe just a shot of drinks on the table. No faces, no details, just enough to say, "I'm out having fun." This stokes their curiosity and fear of missing out. Silence is your secret weapon here. By not answering any texts or DMs, you show you're too busy enjoying your night to bother with their curiosity. That sense of being left out is often what makes an ex realize how much they miss you. Text number 5, the final boss move. Use this only if you're genuinely ready to move on, or if you want to shock their system. "I've realized I deserve someone who's sure about me. Thank you for helping me see that. Goodbye." Then block them on every platform. Why does this pack such a punch? Because it's the ultimate mic drop. You're not begging for closure. you're asserting your worth. It flips the script so they see you as someone strong enough to walk away from uncertainty. Psychologically, this message hits them with a double whammy. First, they realize they've lost you for good. Second, they question if they ever really gave you what you deserved. Expect them to freak out, especially if they thought you'd always be available. In many cases, they'll scramble to contact you through any means, maybe a new number, or they might even show up in person. By the time they do, you'll either have moved on or have all the power if you choose to talk again. Before we continue, if you're struggling with a breakup and want a proven way to turn things around, click the link in the description. This method has helped thousands of people rebuild love and attraction, even when it felt impossible. Don't leave it to chance. Take control and get the step-by-step guide to winning back the one you love. Click the link now, and let's get back into it. Reaching out to an ex after a breakup carries emotional risks and ethical considerations that should not be ignored. Texting can reopen wounds, causing confusion and hindering healing, so it's crucial to assess whether doing so is truly beneficial or just a reaction to temporary loneliness. Clarity of intention is key. Sending ambiguous messages can lead to misunderstandings or false hope, making it essential to communicate directly and without ulterior motives. Respecting boundaries is equally important, as unsolicited messages can be intrusive and disrupt the other person's healing process, especially if they have expressed a desire for no contact. Additionally, text-based communication lacks tone and body language, increasing the chances of misinterpretation and unintended emotional turmoil. From an ethical standpoint, it's essential to ensure that reaching out is not manipulative or self-serving, but rather considerate of both parties' well-being. Ultimately, before hitting send, one must carefully weigh the potential consequences, prioritize mutual respect, and decide whether contacting an ex aligns with personal growth and emotional closure. So there you have it, 5 texts that can make your ex obsess over you, backed by real psychology. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these texts wisely, and only if you're ready to handle the emotional fallout. If you're serious about making your ex regret losing you, don't stop here. Watch my video on 14 stages of no contact that make your ex regret losing you and beg for you back. It breaks down exactly how silence can work in your favor. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment on which text you're sending tonight, and I'll see you in the next video.